Hi friends, today's general studies. Did you know? The first real map was made in Babylon around 2300 BC, over 4000 years ago. Since no one knew the extent of the earth, early maps were not accurate at all. The equator is also called the Great Circle. If you travel all along the equator, along the circumference of the earth, you would travel a distance of 40,075 kilometers. The international dateline marks the place where each day officially begins. The west side of the dateline is always one day ahead of the east side, no matter what time of day it is when the line is crossed. This is because the earth rotates eastward on its axis. Longitude is pronounced longitude. Greenwich is pronounced Greenwich. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this video.